Hello friends, this is a hands-on comparison video in between Realme Neo 7 and Honor GT. I will also do camera test, gaming and speed test of both smartphones. Doing so, I will share some in-depth information of both smartphones. First of all, let's talk about Realme Neo 7. Realme Neo 7 has been launched recently as the company's latest model in its new series. The new Realme phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. The dual SIM Realme Neo 7 runs on Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15 and features a 6.78-inch 1.5K 8T LTPO display with 6000 nits peak brightness. It has a dual rear camera unit that includes a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 camera with OIS support and 8 megapixel secondary wide angle camera for selfies. The phone has a 16 megapixel front camera. Realme Neo 7 has packed a massive 7000 mAh battery in the Neo 7 with 80 watt wired fast charging support. This handset is claimed to deliver up to 21 hours of video playback time and up to 14 hours of video calling time on a single charge. It has IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance rating. Now let's talk about Honor GT, which was recently launched as the latest gaming focused offering from the company. The new Honor smartphone runs on a Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset and packs up to 16GB RAM and a maximum of 1TB storage. The Honor GT contains a 5300 mAh battery that supports 100 watt wired charging. It boasts a dual camera setup led by a 50 megapixel primary camera as well as 16 megapixel front facing camera. The dual SIM Honor GT runs on Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15. It features a 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED display. For optics, the Honor GT has a dual rear camera setup comprising a 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with an f or 1.95 aperture and OIS support, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro shooter with an f or 2.2 aperture and autofocus, a 16 megapixel wide-angle camera with an f or 2.45 aperture for the selfies and video calls. Honor has packed a 5300 mAh battery on the Honor GT, supporting 100 watt fast charging. This fast charging technology is claimed to fill the battery from 0 to 60% in 15 minutes. The phone measures 161 x 74.2 x 7.7 mm and weighs around 196 grams. So friends, that's all about Realme Neo 7 and Honor GT 5G. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.